What's up, fair family? It's your girl Sarah here, and today we got a reaction video, man. You know, I'll click into the YouTube reaction video. Date, I'm not house. You see, I'm not gonna tell you, but yeah, not in my room actually. But we going Angry Grandpa. Okay, they uploaded a new video right here, Angry Grandpa's egg salad. So, without further ado, let's go.
Welcome to Grandpa's Corner. Today, school's back in session, and those that make their kids lunch, I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic sandwich for these kids. It's Grandma Green's egg salad sandwich.
No kid wants to bring egg salad.
My mother fed me this every day when I went to school, and I like it.
I'm old, my brother. It stinks now.
That's just the eggs. Anyway, just sit back.
Oh, God!
So anyway, I'm going to show you how to make Grandma.
Nobody wants egg
We're
salad.
going to make Grandma Green's egg salad.
Your own grandkid yesterday said he was too embarrassed to eat a sandwich in school because it stunk.
Did you
Well,
have
then you go hungry.
What?
You go hungry.
Then you don't want that to happen.
I want you to eat egg salad sandwich.
You want him to eat, and
You
you
tell
want
me if
him.
I made it, you'd eat it. Not me.
I never said that.
Yeah, you
Oh,
did.
no. Hey. I never said that.
Well, we're going to find out.
This is bullshit.
You're going to love it.
I'm leaving then.
No, you're not.
I know how they feel.
All right, you get your eggs. Yeah, I done peeled them. Got peeled them eggs, man.
I feel so bad for Jacob.
Why? Because I feed him a good, nutritious dinner?
He didn't touch it.
Nutrition.
Well, that's his own fault.
He probably doesn't have friends over it.
He probably traded sandwiches, man. People love egg salads.
He probably doesn't have friends on it.
Nobody
You shut
touched
up.
it.
She's done a pretty egg, man.
Oh, what is wrong with that one?
He probably took a bite out of it.
Did not.
Yeah, you did.
All right, now, when you make the salad, you get your squisher.
It stinks so bad.
It does not stink!
How long did you boil these for?
I got them a good ball, I turn them off, let them.
You probably boiled it for like 45 minutes.
You can't boil them that long. You gotta smush it real good. But you might stop at that.
It stinks real bad though.
You'll find out. It tastes good.
It does. I mean, it smells like fart.
Get them all mashed up. What is wrong with you?
It stinks. I'm
What the hell
sorry.
you got in do?
I'm sorry. It stinks, dude.
Well, anyway, once you get that done,
Oh my gosh.
it's starting to piss me off, okay?
Why? Because it stinks in
It
here?
does not stink in here. It smells good.
It stinks, dude. Come on.
Take a little bit of pepper.
Okay.
A little bit of salt. And mix all that together. Now see how good that looks? Your child would die to have that for lunch.
I have no comment. Just make your shit.
Do you take the pickle?
How much? Did you...
Put the pickle in there. You mix that ain't enough pickle, man. I should have had more with this. Get it all mixed in real good. A little bit of mustard.
Y'all love to have this puppy.
Just a little bit. That's gonna give it a little tang.
Like, I'm not saying that it's a nasty sandwich. I'm saying for kids at school.
They eat what they get. Good. So you got it all mixed in now, right? How good that looks smell. Yeah, take a whiff. Throw it! No.
You don't like it?
Oh, God.
Then you put the cholesterol in there, man.
Oh, my God.
Won't that look good?
You think I'm taking a nibble of that? You're high. I'm not.
Voila.
That's it.
Green egg sandwich. Then you go ahead.
probably try it.
Know ahead of time. I won't be tasting the sandwich. Look at Mike. Get out of my face now. Oh my god.
That's good. Yeah, little boy. Get out of the way. And it's so quick. We're in the morning. Right before you go to school.
Nobody's following this recipe.
I bet nobody's gonna follow.
There it is.
There it is. Grandma brings eggs and you get the little book back and say, Jacob, here's your lunch. Have a good day at school. Good job. Mike, have a good day at school.
Okay.
What?
I said that's fine.
I'm glad you agree.
I'm not gonna eat it, Dad.
Why not?
I'm not gonna eat it.
Smell it. It's good. Give me a food and good one.
I hate mayonnaise and egg.
Here, try. Here. Oh my God! I was good, man. Stop it here! Eat up!
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Please.
Eat up! Eat up!
I'm gonna double.
Not good! I love it now!
Stop.
Fuck! Give me a food and eat up! Eat up!
Tippy's not looking
Mama,
like
eat
a
up!
disgusting.
And stop it.
Goddamn! It's good!
What's the matter with you?
You eat my burger, eat it!
I don't like it.
It's not wrong, never got here lunch! It's a good school lunch! It's nutritious! And it's good for you!
Dad, I'm sorry.
Oh, I got illuminated coffee too!
I don't like it.
Ooh, look at this.
This video is done!
I told you I didn't want to eat it.
You brought me you a yesterday, you ain't gonna
Here,
eat it!
eat it. It's yours.
Yeah, eat that, motherfucker, eat that!
What?
Yeah, eat that!
Guys, I'm sorry for pausing, but why does he always do that to his food? Why does he do that always to his food? No matter what this dude do, he always will crumble up his food. Always. He
That's all I got here! Yeah! You ruined it!
Oh,
You
man,
ruined it!
chill out, dude.
You ruined your goddamn nothing got nothing to eat. What you gonna do? You gonna buy the rest of that?
It's Saturday. It was figurative. They're not really going to school.
It's gonna help your money.
You were gonna really give them. Okay. Disgusting. Then.
Oh God!
You ruined the goddamn.
Why? Because I don't want to eat it.
You know they're gonna add up 2 or 3 days.
Who threw it?
Who made it?
Because I wouldn't eat it.
Yeah.
I don't like eggs. I don't like mayonnaise.
Eat it anyway.
I'm gonna throw up. Please stop talking your breath.
Dude, this is a gross.
Stop this.
Dang.
This is bull.
Turn out.
Hey, Tim, come here.
Keep telling me this bullshit.
No.
This is it.
Look at the floor, man.
You covered it. Richard, look at this.
Oh my!
Hey, the pot's hot. It's hot.
Are you okay?
I hate this.
Do it again.
No, Michael.
Turn that goddamn thing.
Okay.
Keep going. No, fill his ass. Oh God, he's taking it as here.
Maybe I think she's gonna get killed.
Dad,
You know
I
what's
swear.
wrong
Stop
with
it. You
it,
don't want me to let you eat it.
In what world do you think a kid?
Okay. So, you guys, if you like that video, get this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching Grandpa, go and hit that video a thumbs up. And if you don't, just go get the video a thumbs up anyways. So, go give this video a thumbs up. Okay. Yo. Give the video a thumbs up if You liked it? Still give it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. I love you all, fair family, from the bottom of my from the bottom of my heart to the top. Thank you for all the love and support. I just can't so much. I love all of you guys for all the love and support. I love you from the bottom to the top of my heart. See you guys in the next video. Love you all. Peace.